Go ask Keezy what's up, because we'll pull right up and get your head on in there. Go get him up there.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Bobby Hills Outdoors. This weekend, February 23rd and 24th, Extreme Raceway Park in Ferris, Texas. It's Friday today. We got the blue truck loaded up. Going down there with Pasadena Speed Shop. Roy and Adrian, all them coming down. Going to tune the truck. Loaded up. Golf carts on, trucks on. Waiting for my brother-in-law. Going to go get my old road dog, Ricky, as usual. Got fans, generator, all that. So it's going to be a pretty interesting weekend. And then tomorrow night, we're going to try to slow the truck down a little bit and put it in the 650 index class because it's a big truck shootout this weekend that KingRtune and them are putting on from Dallas, Texas. So we're going to load up, go down there and show out, see what we can do. We've been following the channel. I haven't been uploading much lately, but we've just been busy building and building and building. Got a bunch of projects going on, a bunch of different trucks. But this one I've been working on for about a little over 2 years now. So it's ready. First index race. We've been testing. Roy and the Pasadena Speed Shop have been phenomenal on getting the truck right, set up, tuned, wired, everything, just everything they've done. I cannot be more happy. So anyways, that's it. Blue truck is loaded up. I have to go to one of my homeboys' funerals this morning. RIP David. I know he wouldn't have it any other way. He would tell me to go have fun. So that's what we're going to do after the funeral, after we go pay our respects and see my buddy go. So y'all stay tuned. Good, man. We ain't gonna run off the road.
That's the bridge.
You gonna be all right over there?
I'm good. Oh, shit.
All right, man. We're on the road. Got the blue truck loaded up. Buck's golf cart. Keep losing the straps to it, but we're good. I just had to take a shit, so rolled by the Cefco. Got that out the way. Yeah, it was a little road runner. And talked to Roy and them from Pasadena. They should be headed down. We're probably about an hour and a half away from the track, so stop, get hotel rooms, and get all that sorted out, and then head to the track, get this bad boy unloaded, see what she runs, see if we can catch a little grudge race tonight, and tame it down for the 650s. Ricky's ready. You ready, Ricky?
No.
Been a while, man. We've been waiting a while to take this truck to its first race. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get back on the road, get over here at XRP.
For fuck's sake!
What's going on, YouTube? We're back. It's Saturday morning. We got in late last night. Buck cooked all the sausage and stuff. So we got some breakfast this morning. We're gonna head back. We're gonna tune the truck a little bit more. Roy is for the 650 class. Maybe I'm saying that like that because it's kind of, we're having a hard time taming it down. What do you think, Ricky?
Really
We came up with too good of a plan this time. Anyway, so it's working. We're gonna get in here, go to the. Are we going to Brooks Brothers to get some meat?
Nah, we're going in a little bit. We gotta go test this truck. It's supposed to be there at 10 o'clock when we run.
Okay. What time is it? 9:23.
Yeah.
It's the truck, man. Then we're gonna leave to go get meat.
I guess.
Damn. All right, we better go. Anyways, we're gonna get over here to the track. We're gonna come back. Christian is on the way, so the video is going to start getting better in the quality. You'll notice. And then we'll kind of get on with it. Hopefully, we can win the 650 or get closer, get a grudge. It looks like we've done too much yesterday, but nobody wants to race us now.
We're gonna find somebody.
Yeah.
For you.
changing the tires, man. The tires on the Fast Pass. Adrian said the tires are kind of shot. They've been on there for about 2 years before we built the truck. We got about 15 passes on them, so they're shot. Good for the 650 class, but going a little faster. Need to go on and swap them out. So Buck ran. I got the brand new tires coming. I got the mobile tire guy coming. Get the tires changed out. Head on to the next round. See what's up.
Are you ready for the 650 class?
Yeah, we've been fighting that tune all damn day, but we finally got a tune-up that we think we found it by accident.
Okay.
It was an accident we found it, but we do got it. We think we're ready for it.
Okay. So far, how many passes have the truck?
We did a couple passes last night. There was a test session last night. We came out, made some passes. Last night we were making more shakedown passes, kind of see where the truck was at, went a little bit faster. We're slowing it down, which is a great problem to have on our end of it, but we did slow it down. We had a good tune-up in it. We got it last night, finalized it today, and man, it's exciting. We feel like we got a real contender for our class.
So you heard it here first. So I guess we're just waiting to change out these tires and get ready for the next class. So check us in.
Call Jimmy's Mobile Tires. Phone number is 214-232-1923. Jimmy's Mobile Tire Service.
Man, he came out, got it hooked up today, man. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
750 coming up. 750 coming up after the 650.
Quick Street, so the last, first other class was 650s. We joined Quick Street. They did a random draw. The class is going to be a 580 index. So we're right now trying to get it dialed in. We turn the boost down a little more, turn it down some more. We don't have a 580 index. I don't think nobody liked losing the way we lost first round. So we joined another class, and we're going to win this round. We're going to win this class. I mean, win the first round for sure. That's the goal.
That's it, man. That's all it is.
Yeah, so now, at least now we get to put the power back in it instead of pulling power away. So,
Can't wait all night. You can make it past to that yellow thing.
I'll fuck his ass off too. Shit. He's scared.
Shake it down first.
Shake it down first. Ain't no shake down. And these are weak ass cars you got. We need shake down. That's a good. Man, go ask Casey what's up, because we'll pull right up and get dead on in there. Go get him up there. I ain't worried about it at 6 o'clock. It's 5:30. We'll get dead on Key's ass right now. Word of my damn woman.
YouTube, that was it. That's our weekend. We did good. Actually, we're going too fast, so that's a good thing. We broke out of the last one Roy was driving. The truck just went too fast. It's making a lot of power. We're trying to put it down on a real small tire, so we're gonna get it loaded up, Roy, and then we're gonna take it back to Pasadena, and we're gonna get it to the chassis shop, put a little bit more meat up underneath the back, do some adjustments in the rear. But we'll be going to the chassis shop and showing y'all that video, what all they're gonna be doing here pretty soon. So make sure you stay tuned. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.